Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to create reports in Salesforce Lightning in 2025 step by step. So first of all, you need to come here on salesforce.com. Over here, click on the option of login and you need to log in into your Salesforce accounts dashboard. Over here, you are going to see a bunch of different options in the left hand side. So among the given options, you need to click on the option of your account. Over here in your account, simply use the search bar here on the top. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for report. Now, once you search for report, you are going to see this type of report section in front of you. So over here, we have a bunch of different options like add to the collections, adding to the favorite, sharing it, or edit the fields. So here, click on the option of enable editing field. After that, you can add a chart over here. Then you can also click on this option and you can start editing this report. Over here, you can add multiple groups, then you can add columns. After that, you are also going to see a bunch of different functions like discount, net sales, taxes, shipping, total sales, etc. So here you are going to see the date on which this particular data is created here in the right hand section. So again, you can add the chart over here, or you can also save and run it, and you can simply save it and you can simply run it as well. You can also click on this tab in order to update the preview of this particular report automatically. So this way you will be able to start creating and using reports in the Salesforce Lightning in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and comment if you have any questions in your mind. Thanks for watching.